Hello, class. So, welcome back. And today we'll be going over Classdojo. And so, basically, what Classdojo is you can build a classroom community where parents can view your work, I can view your work, and your peers can also view your work. And so, you can earn points, different type of points, and you can track your own progress, and you can create your own portfolio to show your amazing work. And you could, if you're being good, you can earn points also. So Classdojo is a good way to keep track. As a teacher, I can keep track of your progress. Your parents can keep track of your progress, and you can also keep track of your own progress. And everyone can view work also, so why not? It's cool. So we'll start with the demo class. And so for the demo class, it already has points on there because I was playing with it. And so basically for the demo class, we have Beyonce, Denzel, Jennifer, Justin, and Leonardo. So we'll click on Beyonce for starters. See, she already has 2 points, and your total points will show up in the little green dots. So let's start on Beyonce. And also, you can create your own little monster. So everybody has their own unique own little monster that they can create. And I think that's really cool because it showcases who you are. And so we have the different ways you can earn points. So it's 1 point if you help others, on task, participating, persistence, teamwork, or working with others. Now, the only way you can earn 3 points is if I labeled it as project findings. So that means if you say a cool fact you learned about the holiday in class that day, um, bring a cool artifact that you found related back to the holiday that you thought was cool. You could share an experience that from somebody else who have experienced the holiday, or yourself if you have experienced the holiday. And the last way to earn the 3 points with the project is to say to the class and to me as a teacher, what does the holiday mean to me? Those are the 7 ways you can earn points, but to earn 3 points, which is like the bonus points, you have to say say what the project with the project between those lines to earn points and what I said. So we can click out of that. And then so we can go to the whole class. And so if I want to do a point for everybody, I could just do helping. So everybody was on task today. Everybody gets a point, which is really cool. And so I can see the class total right there. So as a whole, the whole class has 11. And at the end of each week, if the whole class has a point on the board, every person in the class can choose something out of the treasure box. But each day during the week, if it's just a couple students, like 1 or 2 or 3 students, then they could just choose out the treasure box that day. But if it's the whole class, then we'll wait till Friday to see who can choose what out of the treasure box. And so you can see right here, you can create different portfolios. I'm on a teacher view, so it might not look the same. And I could see my class stories, and I could also message your parents to keep them up to date with your progress. And so now let's go for the student view. So this is how your view will look as a student. And so see, you have your monster. It's loading, finishing. So see, you have monster. There you go. And that's Beyonce. So you could just dress it up differently, do different cool things, put gloves on them. That's cool. Change the color. Okay, let's go back. And so you can see your to-do list. So I put one up there, the holiday artifacts, and I put the instructions under. So students will draw a artifact they found was cool for the holiday they're choosing. And if you wanted to create a story about the holiday, you could put that under. And see, I did one for the demo class, and you could like it if you liked it also. And you can add pictures, say allow. You can add pictures of yourself. You can draw of yourself, or not of yourself, but anything you would like. You could write words, you could put a file, and then at the end of each week, you can track your progress. So you'll see how your behavior been acting, how you've been acting in class overall. And you can see that for each day, and it'll tell you the different points you earn. And yeah, this is Classdojo for you, and I hope you all like it. Thank you.